Place the license plate recognition camera at headlight height and aim it directly at approaching vehicles for the best chance of clear captures. For reliable license plate capture outside a home, mount the camera 2 to 3 feet above the roadway and set a narrow field of view so the plate fills most of the frame. Use a camera with a high shutter speed and adjustable exposure to freeze motion. Aim for shutter speeds that minimize blur while allowing enough light for clarity. Add infrared illumination and synchronize it to the camera shutter to avoid overexposure and to maintain contrast on plates at night. Many LPR systems have built-in IR or allow external IR strobes. Position the camera so it views the vehicle at a shallow angle rather than head-on, typically between 10 and 20 degrees off perpendicular, to keep characters readable while avoiding reflection from plate sheens. Mount the unit on a rigid pole or bracket and use vibration dampening hardware to eliminate motion blur from wind or passing traffic. Regularly clean the lens and check focus and alignment after storms or maintenance to keep plate images sharp. The most common issues are motion blur from low shutter speed, which gives unreadable characters, glare from headlights or reflective plates, which washes out digits, and improper framing where plates are too small in the image. Fix motion blur by increasing shutter speed and adding stronger synchronized illumination so the camera still gets enough light. Reduce glare by adjusting the camera angle slightly off perpendicular and using polarization filters if available, and by timing IR pulses to avoid direct headlight bursts. Correct framing by narrowing the field of view, raising or lowering the mount to the 2 to 3 foot zone, and testing with different vehicle types until plates consistently fill the frame. We run bighomeprojects.com, and we help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find jobs related to camera installation and other projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share installation tips, ask questions, and learn from others who have placed cameras for license plate capture.